This 5-minute solution will show you how to create a playlist on Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to create a playlist for your Facebook page. First of all, open your Meta Business Suite and its URL is business.facebook.com. And here, make sure to select your business account. And now, click on Content. And here, select Playlist. And now, to create a brand new playlist using videos, just click on Create Playlist. Or you can click on Create Playlist here. And you can create a real playlist or you can create a video playlist. So select any of them. And now write here your playlist title. And write here a description about your playlist. And now add a cover image for your playlist from here. I'm selecting a dummy photo from my computer. And click on Next. And note one thing that if you're creating a reel or a video playlist, you won't be able to upload any videos from your computer or from your device. You have to select videos from your Facebook page you have already uploaded. So here's my Facebook page video showing up here. I'm going to selecting these two videos and clicking on Publish Playlist. And that's it. As you can see, my playlist has been successfully created. So this is how we can actually create playlist for Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.